Assalamu alaikum dear students, class 12 unit aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Actually we were dealing with the chemical properties of the aldehydes and the ketones. उसमें हमने कहा था आपको कि these chemical properties of the aldehydes and the ketones, they are categorized into the seven important categories. उसमें हमने 6 important categories पढ़ी, लेकिन 6 important जो 6th important property थी, that is reaction with alkalis. रिएक्शन विद alkalis में हमने डिस्कस किया रिएक्शन विद डाइल्यूट alkali एंड नंबर सेकंड वाज रिएक्शन विद द स्ट्रॉन्ग alkali. रिएक्शन विद स्ट्रॉन्ग alkali में हमने डिस्कस की थी रिएक्शन दैट्स कॉल्ड एज द कैनज़ोर्स रिएक्शन. आज उसका दूसरा पार्ट हमें पढ़ना है, दैट्स कॉल्ड एज नंबर सेकंड जो है रिएक्शन विद कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड alkalis का सेकंड पार्ट जो है दैट इज क्रॉस कैनज़ोर्स reaction. Now what is cross Canozor's reaction? It is the reaction between the two different aldehydes which do not possess the alpha hydrogen atom. In presence of the strong alkali such as the sodium hydroxide results the formation of the carboxylic acid and an alcohol. It is basically a disproportionation reaction where one molecule is oxidized and the other molecule that gets one molecule is oxidized to carboxylic acid and the second molecule is reduced to the alcohol. बेसिकली कैनज़ोर्स रिएक्शन और क्रॉस कैनज़ोर्स रिएक्शन के दरमियान एक ही डिफरेंस है, दैट इज द इन केस ऑफ क्रॉस कैनज़ोर्स रिएक्शन देयर इज रिएक्शन बिटवीन द टू डिफरेंट aldehyde molecules, while as in case of कैनज़ोर्स reaction we have the reaction between the two same aldehyde molecules, but the condition is that they should not possess the alpha hydrogen atom. So cross कैनज़ोर्स reaction, it is the reaction between two different aldehyde molecules which do not possess alpha hydrogen atom undergoes disproportionation, that is self oxidation reduction. इनमें क्या होता है कि एक मॉलिक्यूल ऑक्सीडाइज होता है टू कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड द सेकंड मॉलिक्यूल दैट इज रिड्यूस्ड टू द अल्कोहल. The result is the formation of a carboxylic acid and an alcohol. So क्रॉस कैनज़ोर्स रिएक्शन जो है वो एक रिएक्शन है बिटवीन द टू डिफरेंट aldehyde molecules जिनमें अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है. दे अंडरगो रिएक्शन विद ईच अदर. वहाँ पर क्या होता है, सिंपली इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ द concentrated alkali results the formation of one molecule is oxidized and the other molecule is reduced. So it is also a disproportionation reaction. तो reaction हम यहाँ पर लेंगे between the formaldehyde and the benzaldehyde molecule. Generally जहाँ पर हम formaldehyde use करते हैं that is oxidized to formic acid, while as other aldehyde molecule is reduced to the corresponding alcohol. For example, HC डबल बॉन्ड OH, ये है फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड. इसकी हम रिएक्शन कराएंगे किसके साथ, बेंजाल्डिहाइड के साथ, C6H5CHO इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ कंसंट्रेटेड सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. तो फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड जनरली जो होता है दैट गेट्स ऑक्सीडाइज्ड टू फॉर्मिक एसिड और सोडियम फॉर्मेट CONA plus benzyl alcohol is formed, C6H5CH2OH benzyl alcohol is formed. So this is an example ऑफ क्रॉस कैनज़ोरस रिएक्शन। तो क्रॉस कैनज़ोरस रिएक्शन में हमने सिंपली इतना ही आपको बोला है कि that it is a reaction between the two different aldehyde molecules which do not possess the alpha hydrogen atom. They undergo reaction with each other in presence of concentrated alkali, and it results the formation of the carboxylic acid and the alcohol. This is cross canizarous reaction. Now we have the another important reaction in this category, that's reaction with aluminium ethoxide. Reaction with another reaction जो है इस कैटेगरी में, that's reaction with concentrated alkali, that's reaction with aluminium ethoxide. Reaction with aluminium ethoxide. Aluminium ethoxide that also acts as a base. Now aluminium ethoxide की formula जो है ethoxide, that is C2H5O ethoxide. अब ये अटैच्ड है किसको, एल्यूमिनियम को, लेकिन एल्यूमिनियम जो है दैट इज ट्राइवेलेंट इन नेचर, दैट इज C2H5O whole thrice Al. This is called as aluminium ethoxide. अब ये aluminium ethoxide किसके साथ रिएक्ट करता है, all those aldehydes and the ketones whether they possess the alpha hydrogen atom or not, they undergo reaction with each other and the result is the formation of the aldehydes whether they possess alpha hydrogen atom or not. इसमें कंडीशन ये जरूरी नहीं है कि that they should not possess the alpha hydrogen atom, they should possess alpha hydrogen atom as well, undergoes Canozor's reaction and results the formation of carboxylic acid and the alcohol. लेकिन वो वहाँ पर जो alcohol और carboxylic acid बनता है, they react with each other and results the formation of an ester, and that reaction is called as the Tychenko reaction. So reaction जो है aluminium ethoxide के reaction with aluminium ethoxide, that is any aldehyde which possess alpha hydrogen atom or not, may or may not possess alpha hydrogen atom, undergo reaction with each other. For example, we have the acetaldehyde molecule, it will react with another acetaldehyde molecule in presence of CH3CHO, that's esterdiamine, in presence of aluminium ethoxide C2H5O whole thrice Al, aluminium ethoxide, and it undergoes disproportionation, results the formation of CH3COH carboxylic acid plus ethanol, and this carboxylic acid and ethanol react with each other and result the formation of ester. OH plus water, ester plus water, and this reaction ester, ethyl acetate or ester is formed. This reaction is called as Tychenko reaction. Tychenko reaction. So what is this? This was the last reaction in this category, that's reaction with concentrated alkalis, that's reaction with aluminium ethoxide, where the two aldehyde molecules, whether they possess alpha hydrogen atom or not, they undergo reaction with each other and it results the formation of the carboxylic acid and an alcohol is formed, and this alcohol and the carboxylic acid, they will react with each other and it results the formation of the ester, and this reaction is called as the Tychenko reaction. And then we have the seventh important category of reaction of the shown by the aldehydes and the ketones, that is miscellaneous reactions. Miscellaneous reactions. Miscellaneous reactions. Miscellaneous reactions shown by the aldehydes and ketone. Number first is that's reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia, NH3. Aldehydes and the ketones जो होते हैं they react with ammonia and results the formation of they form the different types of products with ammonia. For example, अगर हम aldehydes को लेंगे they react with ammonia and results the formation of aldimines. So here we have R H C double bond O. This is an aldehyde. It will react with ammonia NH3 and first it gives an addition product that is the R H C. It is OH and NH2. This is basically CH2N H NH2H. तो यहाँ की तरह चला जाएगा, इवेंट बन गया नेगेटिव चार्ज एंड दिस H positive comes here, results the formation of OH and NH2. It comes here as a nucleophile. So here we have NH3 and then it will lose the water molecule. कहाँ से water molecule lose? यहाँ से एक हाइड्रोजन है इसका NH2 का और यहाँ से ये R H C double bond NH. This is aldimine. So miscellaneous reaction में सबसे पहले रिएक्शन जो है एल्डिहाइड्स की वो है अमोनिया. अमोनिया जो है वो रिएक्ट करता है एल्डिहाइड्स के साथ एंड इट रिजल्ट्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एल्डिमीन. फर्स्ट एन एडिशन प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर्म्ड, देन that addition product undergoes loss of water and it results the formation of aldimines. Similarly जो फॉर्मल्डिहाइड है वो भी रिएक्ट करता है किसके साथ, अमोनिया के साथ एंड वहाँ पर जो प्रोडक्ट बनता है दैट इज हेक्सामिथाइलिन टेट्राइमाइन इज फॉर्मड. सो अगर हमारा बी जो है फॉर्मल्डिहाइड HCHO, it will react with ammonia NH3 and it results the formation of CH2 whole 6N2. That is hexamethylene tetraimine is formed. Hexamethylene tetraimine is formed. This अगर हम इस this is called as urotropine. This is called urotropine. So we have the reaction that is the reaction with ammonia. Aldehydes जो है वो react करते हैं किसके साथ, अमोनिया के साथ. Formaldehyde जो है that reacts with ammonia and it results the formation of the formaldehyde जो है वो react करता है अमोनिया के साथ and it results the formation of hexamethylene tetraimine which is called as urotropine. ये urotropine जो यहाँ पर बनता है it again reacts with nitric acid HNO3 and results the formation of RDX. तो यहाँ पर एक कंपाउंड बनता है दैट्स कॉल्ड एज द RDX is formed. This is reaction of the aldehydes with ammonia. Aldehydes बनाते हैं aldimines with ammonia while as the formaldehyde it results the formation of the urotropine with ammonia. Number second reaction है aldehydes की, that's the miscellaneous reaction, that's reaction with chloroform. Reaction with number 2 reaction with chloroform. Aldehydes और ketones जो होते हैं they react with chloroform and results the formation of chlorantone which is an hypnotic, which acts as a hypnotic, which is a drug act as a or which is also called a which is a hypnotic. So here you have aldehyde, it will react with chloroform CHCl3, results the formation of chlorantone. See, it is OH and Cl. This is called as chlorantone. Chlorantone is formed. That's reaction with the chloroform, while aldehydes they react with chloroform and results the formation of the chlorantone. Now we have another reaction that's called as the benzyne condensation. That is the reaction of the benzaldehyde molecule with potassium cyanide where benzyne is formed. So reaction benzoyne condensation. Benzoyne condensation, it is the condensation between the two aldehyde molecules, aromatic aldehydes in presence of the potassium cyanide and it results the formation of the benzene is formed. For example, we have C double bond OH. It will react with another benzaldehyde molecule in presence of potassium cyanide. तो यहाँ पर क्या बनता है, बेंजाइन इज फॉर्मड. This is called benzene. Benzene is formed. So these are some of the important miscellaneous reactions shown by the aldehydes and the ketones. इसी तरह से है another reaction, that's a reaction with amines, where they form the aldehydes, they form the Schiff's base with amines. So you have the another important miscellaneous reaction, that is reaction with amines. Reaction with amines. So aldehydes or ketones जो है, they react with amines and result is the formation of a base which is called as the Schiff's base, or that is also an amines are formed basically. That is called as the Schiff's base. So you have RH C double bond O. It reacts with amines. That's we have H2N or amine, and it results in the formation of the base called as, it results the formation of Schiff's base. And basically aldehyde here, which is called, but instead of the hydrogen atom we have here the alkyl group. So this compound is called as the Schiff's base. So you have the miscellaneous seventh important category shown by the aldehydes and the ketones, that is the seventh important category में हमने डिस्कस की थी रिएक्शन विद अमोनिया, वेयर द एल्डेमीन्स आर फॉर्मड. इसी तरह से फॉर्मल्डिहाइड जो है वो रिएक्ट करता है अमोनिया के साथ, एंड इट रिजल्ट्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द यूरोट्रोपिन. Then we have another reaction, that's reaction with chloroform, where the chlorantone is formed. Similarly, we have reaction with amine benzene, दो बेंजाइन मॉलिक्यूल, दो एल्डिहाइड मॉलिक्यूल्स जो है एक दूसरे के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ पोटेशियम साइनाइड, एंड वहाँ पर जो बनता है that is called as the benzene is formed, and the reaction is called as benzene condensation reaction. एंड इसी तरह से हमने लास्ट रिएक्शन यहाँ पर डिस्कस की, दैट इज एल्डिहाइड्स जो है वो रिएक्ट करते हैं अमाइन्स के साथ, एंड रिजल्ट इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द Schiff's base. These are some of the important category of reactions shown by aldehydes and the ketones that comes under the category that's called as the miscellaneous reaction. Inshallah, in the next video lecture we will go through the last component of the unit, that is the carboxylic acids. Thank you so much.